Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word rocked. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The band's performance last night really rocked the house. Rocked in this sentence means the band's performance was exciting, electrifying, and highly successful in energizing the audience and creating a lively atmosphere. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.